Welcome to This Explainer. I am absolutely thrilled to have you here today. Let's be honest for a second. Applying to university can kind of feel like navigating a minefield blindfolded, right? It's stressful, the stakes are super high, and it's usually just incredibly overwhelming. But hey, if you're feeling that pressure right now, I want you to take a deep breath. You are in the exact right place. Today, we're completely demystifying the University of Free State, or UFS, online application process. We're going to take what is normally a super complicated ordeal and transform it into an absolute breeze. By the time we wrap up here, you'll know exactly where to click, what to prep, and exactly how to successfully submit that application from start to finish.
Okay, let's dive into this. Our roadmap today covers 4 highly manageable phases: accessing the UFS portal, pre-application essentials, the first 4 steps, and finally, completing your application.
Section 1. Accessing the UFS portal, finding the official starting line. So to actually kick off this journey, you've got to find the official page. You can jump onto Google and search for the exact phrase, University of Free State Online Application. You're looking for that very first organic result. Or, honestly, even easier, you can just type the official URL directly into your browser, apply.ufs.ac.za. Now, it is incredibly important to use these exact search terms or that specific URL. The internet is literally full of confusing, unofficial third-party pages that can lead you down a nasty rabbit hole of hidden fees or even scams. So definitely stick to the official route to keep your personal data safe and the whole process smooth.
Section 2. Pre-application essentials. What you need before you click Start. Knowing the rules before you start is going to save you a ton of time later. First up, note that applications for the 2027 academic year officially opened on the 1st of April 2026. Next, and I love this because it's so rare these days, applying here is completely free. There are absolutely no sneaky application fees waiting to ambush you at the end. You're also allowed to choose a maximum of 2 study options. And finally, if you're an undergrad applicant, please only apply for programs where you actually meet all the minimum requirements. Postgrad applicants, you'll want to double-check the 2027 postgraduate prospectus and your specific faculty page. So, the crucial point is that this process costs you nothing, and you get the incredible flexibility of picking 2 different study options. Okay, once you're on the site and you've read through the document submission rules, you just scroll down to the bottom of the page to choose your path. You'll see clear options for undergraduate, postgraduate, business school, or the School of Financial Planning Law. You simply select your specific study type, so for instance, clicking Start Application right under Undergraduate. And here's a massive relief. If life interrupts you mid-application, don't sweat it. The resume draft option is your built-in safety net. If you make it past step 4, you can always return right back here to pick up exactly where you left off without losing an ounce of your progress.
Section 3. The first 4 steps. Kicking off the 8-step process.
All right, we kick off the core digital form with step 1, which is just entering your basic contact and ID details. But I gotta give you a strong warning here. Make absolutely sure every single letter and number matches your official ID exactly. Moving right along, step 2 is where UFS gathers your selection info, stuff like your current grade, and whether you're completing your National Senior Certificate, the NSC, the IEB for independent schools, or an equivalent qualification. Then, step 3 asks you to lock in those 2 study choices we talked about. Finally, step 4 acts as a checkpoint. The system actually verifies all this info against your ID to make sure it's a flawless match before letting you proceed.
Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the strategy behind it. I want to pause for a major pro tip regarding those study choices. You actually have a huge strategic advantage here. For your first choice, go ahead and pick your absolute dream, highly competitive program. Aim for the stars. But for your second choice, it's strongly recommended that you select a non-selection program. Doing this guarantees you a really solid, safe backup plan just in case your first choice happens to be oversubscribed. Honestly, it is the ultimate way to hedge your bets.
Section 4. Completing your application. The final stretch to submission.
The momentum is really building now as we head into the second half of the form. The finish line is literally in sight. Step 5 locks in your personal data, like your home address and your emergency contacts. Next, in Step 6, you'll upload your supporting documents. Once those files are successfully in, Step 7 just asks you to read through the declarations and agree to the terms. And that paves the way directly to Step 8, getting to click that highly rewarding Submit button.
And this brilliantly illustrates a golden, unwritten rule for those document uploads in Step 6. Whether it's your certified ID copy, your grade 11 results, or your mid-year grade 12 marks, every single file you upload must be a clear, legible PDF. But most importantly, each file must be strictly under 5 megabytes. Seriously, burn the number 5 into your memory. If you ensure your files are under that limit, I promise your upload process will be entirely headache-free.
Okay, so once you click Submit and you get that confirmation email with your brand new student number, take a moment to celebrate. You earned it. But your journey doesn't end right there. You can track your application status anytime through UFS self-service at myapplication.ufs.ac.za. I'd highly recommend bookmarking this URL in your browser right now because it's going to become your absolute best friend for tracking your success throughout the whole admission cycle. And just like that, the entire UFS online application process is totally demystified. What might have felt like an impossible mountain earlier is actually just a very logical, manageable staircase. The roadmap is firmly in your hands now, and the only thing left to do is take action. So the big question is, which 2 programs will shape your future today? Get out there, start that application, and best of luck on your incredible university journey.